This video is going to be on the ALEKS topic, solving a compound linear inequality, graph solution basic. So what makes it a compound linear inequality is that there are two inequality signs. There is a less than sign here and a less than sign here. So what we're going to do is we're going to solve both of these, but since this is a compound inequality, we can actually solve these both at once. Notice this is saying -2 is less than 2x plus 6, and 2x plus 6 is also less than 4. So you could also read this as 2x plus 6 is between -2 and positive 4. Now, what we can do is we can just solve this all at once. So let's rewrite it here. -2 is less than 2x plus 6 is less than 4. And this is really just a two-step equation, right? So if you want to isolate for the x, what is the first thing you need to do? Well, you need to do the inverse of this positive 6, which is a -6, since x is being doubled and then added to by 6. So -2 take away 6 would give us -8. The -6 and positive 6 would eliminate. That's a 0 pair. And then 4 take away 6, it would be -2. Now, in order to get x by itself, the last step is to divide by 2, since this is x times 2. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side, or in this case, both sides. So here you're going to end up with -4 is less than x, and x is less than -1. So if you had a number line, you would have a point at -4. Remember, the circle would be open, not closed, because we're using a less than, not a less than or equal to. And then here would be 0. This would be -1. You'd have an open circle here because it doesn't include that. And x is between these 2 points, so you would shade in everything between those two. So your value of x, anything that satisfies this compound inequality, is any number in this range, in this region, between -4 and -1. And let's look at the explanation. And here you can see -4 is less than x is less than -1.